Vimeo tutorial for beginners, how to use Vimeo. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to give you a tutorial of the platform which is called Vimeo. It is a video making platform and it is a very great tool when you enter into the production or making of videos. If you want to host a virtual event, a meeting or anything, Vimeo is the best fix for you. So let's get into the video. So here you can see that I have written vimeo.com onto my URL bar, and this is the platform that I've landed onto. Here you can see you can build a company video in a minute. You can create videos in minutes. You can share your videos everywhere. You can sell your videos online. You can host virtual events. So these are all the things that you can do with Vimeo. It is your all-in-one video platform which turns your ideas into action. You can make, you can manage and share videos and virtual events that move your audience. It is a one video platform, all your video needs. So what you can do is you can do video marketing, you can employ communications, you can have it on Vimeo, you have a video monetization, you can also have different kind of integrations, and it is trusted. It is a very good platform. So how you can get started with it, and let's first of all talk about the pricing. So I'm just going to go on and see the plans of Vimeo. So first of all, there is a starter plan which is for $12 per month, and you get 60 videos per seat per year into this. Then you have a standard plan which is for $20 per seat per month and 120 videos per seat per year. Advanced plan is for $65 per seat per month for 500 videos per seat per year. And then there's an enterprise version. For that you have to contact the sales to get the exact pricing. So I want to join the Vimeo, and I'm going to continue with the free trial of the first plan of the $12. I'm just going to continue with the Google, and then I'll show you guys after getting it into the platform. Okay, so here you can see that you have after getting into the Vimeo, you want to create a new video. You have to click on this option. So you can upload, you can create a video, you can record your screen, or you can create an event on your Vimeo as well. So to upload, you can just go on or choose your files. If you want to have a video maker, you have to click on this option, and it is going to give you a video maker. Then you can also host a live event, and you can also start a screen recording on Vimeo. If you let's say if you want to record a lecture, if you want to record any kind of thing on Vimeo, so you can just go on that. So I'm just going to go on to a creation of a video. Okay, so now first of all you want to choose a template. So there are a couple of templates that you can search for. Search 100 of templates, try terms like birthday or sale, then you click on next. Then you have create your own videos. You can just go on and not into templates, start from scratch, or add photos and clips for an automatically generated video. Click on next, and then you have basically different kind of videos. Okay, so let's say I want to make a video that is a luxury hotel promo. You can okay, or you can just go on and I want to have a product marketing, retail. Let's say I want to have a retail video, product explainer. You have Amazon clean beauty. This is a beauty related product, and you want videos created according to that. Okay, so this is a good one. So I'm just going to open this video. Here you can see that is an Amazon clean beauty. Current ratio is landscape eco-friendly products made without all your different kind of chemicals. And this is a really good video that I can I can use for my product. So let's say I want to customize that. Okay, so here you can see that this is the scene 1 of the video. Okay, so then you have a scene 2, you have a scene 3, scene 4, etc. So if you want to change anything, like if you want to add another scene into your video, you can just go on and click on this abstract. You can see all of these clips that are available, and you can add in as an abstract. And if you want to change, like for example, I want to add something that is related to beauty, I want to add something that is related to skincare, because this is what my product is opting for. So I'm just going to add a skincare. That's good. Okay, so I have something that is related to skincare. So this, you can see that there's a serum that is flowing, it looks good. And this is also a serum that is dropping, it also looks good. And there are some couple of other videos as well that you can are related to skincare. For example, these are all of these products. So it is eco, like for example, when I talk about this third scene, it says it is eco-friendly. So I can add this other products as well which are not eco-friendly or something like that. For example, I'm just going to click something like that. Okay, so here you can see that now the slide has been changed to these are products like that, eco-friendly products made without the yucky ingredients. So it looks pretty good now because it basically shows all of the products that are not eco-friendly, and it basically serves the purpose. So if you want to change any other slide like that, so you can just go on and see all of these slides and you can change them and edit them uh, by adding your own small videos. So you can make these videos with your mobiles as well, and from coming onto Vimeo and after editing it will look very professional. So you can add the media from your own media, and you can also add different videos from Google Photos as well. If you want photos, you can switch to photos and rather than videos. So this is the media center of Vimeo. So if you want to change the presets, just go on to the presets, and here you can see that you have intro, you have live event, and you have different kind of presets. So presets are basically the information that are showing on each of these video. You can change that to some of the different formats. You can see you have clean, corner, you have marker, you have underline. So you can change the preset of a specific screen, or you can change the preset of the whole video that you have just created as well. After that, you have a text option. If you want to change the text, like for example, I want to edit this, or I want to add a different text, a headline, a caption, sub headline, title, anything onto my video, I can just go on and add that. And if you want to change this existing text, or if you want to edit that, you have options. You have fonts, you have colors, you have animation. Like for example, I want to add an animation to this, I want to add lines. So how will it look like? Something like this. I have added lines, or I don't want a line, I need a typewriter. So this is how it will look like. So you can basically add different kind of text animations for the video to look more lively, to look more real, and not just based on some pictures, you know. Then you have a drop shadow. If you want to add a drop shadow, it is going to look something like this. I have added something like this, or you can basically add a slightly dull shadow or a soft shadow like this. Then you have an edit trimming, you have an edit text, and you have a couple of more options from copy, duplicate, delete, etc. Then you have your graphics. If you want to add different graphics, stickers, anything onto your slide, onto your video, you can add that, like bodies in motion, you have arrows, you have love related icons, you have text related icons, no bad vibes. Then you have shapes, you have frames, you have patch it up, you have bounce back, bubbles, etc. Like their possibilities are endless, depending upon something that you have thought in your mind, something that you have thought, you can just add it onto your video. Then you have your music. If you want to change the music of the video, some of them are available. You can go on and upload the music from this option right here, and it will, you can add it onto your video. And then you have your color palette. If you want to change the color palette of your video, you can change that as well. For example, I want to change my color palette from pink, yellows, and whites to this version right here. So I can just go on, click on that, add it here, and it will basically change the editable text and everything onto this, like this palette. So then you have your brand. If you want to have the logo of your brand, you can just get more. Okay, so this is after going on and doing everything onto the video, after completely being completely, satisfied with what you have created. You can see the ratio. If you want to change that, you can do that as well, but I would recommend having a landscape ratio if you want if you want a portfolio kind of video, or if you're making something for Instagram or for social media, then go with the 9:16. That is the portrait format. And then you have your guides. Your guides are going to be here. You can snap to guides or show the guide, for example, like that. They're basically the snaps, and they will show you the angles and the guidelines of your framing. And after that, you can click on the preview of the video, how it's finally turned out. And I'm just going to play it. Here you can see that a beauty brand for social good, plant-based, cruelty-free, eco-friendly products made without all the yucky ingredients. So because of some internet issue, the background video is not playing right now. Okay, so it did. This is how it looks like: eco-friendly products made without all the yucky ingredients. This is the slide that we have added before. And moving on to the next slide: nature, dream wild, dream tall, etc. Okay, so this is basically the whole video preview. After you are done, just click on this option which says save, and your video will be saved. You can download your video and you can upload it to any platform that you want. It will be completely yours, no copyright issues, and you can just go on and start marketing on this video, start selling your product, or whatever you want to do. Okay, so click here to make changes, add clips, music, graphics. Okay, so after everything is done, just click on copy and share the link of the video, or you can just download it as well. So this is how you can use Vimeo. It is very quick, it is very easy to use, it is very handy, and it is very beginner friendly as well. This is what I've showed you video making. You can edit your own videos in the same way that you have edited this video, the template, and you can basically make or record videos, and these are the couple other options available on Vimeo as well. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.